Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software on your MacBook Air M5. So first of all, in order to do that, we're gonna have to go to the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen, then open System Settings here, then make sure to check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Go to General on the sidebar, open Software Update here, and then let your device check for updates. You can also do this manually by clicking Check for Updates. And if you do have an update to install, you'll be able to proceed in the same menu by clicking Download and install the update. Besides, to check for security updates and make sure that your device is up to date with all the security measures preventing your device from bugs and malware, go to Privacy and Security section on the sidebar. And then in this menu, we want to scroll down to the very bottom and find Background Security Improvements. Just make sure that Automatically Install feature is enabled. And this will automatically download and install security updates even when no major software update is released. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.